Amazing, isn't it? Inside a single cell is really a whole new world of wonder, a world of impossibility without an intelligent mind behind it. Now, an up-close look on science and faith. Let us see what experts have to say. I build molecules for a living. I can't begin to tell you how difficult the job is. I stand in awe of God because of what He has done through His creation. Only a rookie who knows nothing about science would say science takes away from faith. If you really study science, it will bring you closer to God. According to a scientist who studies what is invisible to the naked eye. From Dr. Joe Francis of the Masters College, science is a gift from God. He gave it to us so we can know more about Him. Are you ready to charge up your brain? Here's more knowledge power. Guess the words. 4 pictures, 2 words. Time's up. The correct answer is plant cell. This is how a plant cell looks like. Look hard, memorize the organelles found inside, and remember well its structure. Introducing to you the small but wonderful plant cell as seen under a microscope. Observe and write down what you see. Great thoughts! You have a keen eye. Now you have to ready your pen, paper, and colors. Extra challenge! As fast as you could, draw and label the plant cell and its organelles. Let's check if you labeled it right. This is the nucleus. The centriole is found near the nucleus but unseen in this illustration. Here's a large vacuum. Endoplasmic reticulum or ER. The Golgi body. The ribosomes are attached to the ER, very small to be seen. Green chloroplast. The purple represented lysosomes. The mitochondrion or mitochondria. Cytoplasm, the green background where all the organelles are placed. The thick cell wall and the thin cell membrane. How many did you label right? Oh, that's wonderful! Next and last words to guess. 4 pictures, 2 words. Time's up. The correct answer is animal cell. This is how an animal cell looks like. Look hard, memorize the organelles found inside, and remember well its structure. Introducing to you the small but wonderful animal cell. Here's a trivia for you. Did you know that the largest human cell is the egg cell and the smallest human cell is the sperm cell? The combination of the largest and the smallest cells formed me and you. Ready again your pen, paper, and colors. Extra challenge, as fast as you can, draw and label the animal cell and its organelles. Time to check. Here's the nucleus. The ER or endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondrion or mitochondria. The small vacuole. The purple represented lysosome. The Golgi body is present but cannot be seen in this illustration. Blue-colored cytoplasm that fills the inside of the cell. The membrane that encloses the cell. The centrioles found near the nucleus. Did you find the ribosomes? They are too small to be seen attached to the ER. Congratulations! At this point, you have fully charged your brain power. Do you have questions so far? Feel free to make this an open discussion for questions or clarifications before we proceed. Finally, this is the part where we build and test your learning competency. You need to compare and contrast the plant cell and the animal cell. In the corresponding circles, list down the organelles of the plant cells and the organelles of the animal cells. On the intersecting portion, write down the similarities or the organelles that can be found in both. Lastly, you have to highlight the differences or the organelles that can only be found in the plant cells or in the animal cells. You may encircle, box, or draw a line. Ready, set, go! Time's up. Let's check your learning competency. Excellent work! Kudos! You have mastered the skill, you have fully charged your brain power, and most importantly, you have strengthened your faith in the Creator. Let us end with reflection time. Connect this smallest wonder, the cell, to its wonderful Creator. What do you think is the purpose why there are certain organelles present only in plant cell that is absent in animal cell, and vice versa? For the invisible things of Him from the creation of the world are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made, even His eternal power and Godhead, so that they are without excuse. The wonders of creation undoubtedly leads to an intelligent designer. Science only proves the undeniable existence of God, and faith is strengthened by scientific truth. Your passionate teacher, Mrs. A, and this is your purpose-driven learnings.